Hi, this is William speaking. I'm now trying to explain two of the problem of this laser welding machine. First, there is two pieces of some classics, okay, for the laser, but we are facing some problem is about the warning of the classics. Actually, there is one more piece, number 3, inside of this handle of the gun, the laser gun. So you need to open it to replace if the problem warning always comes. Another warning is about the temperature of the water protect. It's like here, you can make it allow it 65, but when we got the warning is just 55 of the temperature protect warning. So that's it. That's the two things we are facing and already showed. Also, then you know at the same time why now. Thank you. Bye bye.